deep in the heart of tornado country. Oh!
Some people carry a rabbit's foot. I have this baby leg.
I think it's coming right at us.
Dying.
That is beautiful.
There are a lot of people who talk about doing stuff. And then there are people who actually do stuff. These are their stories.
You see that?
So let's get out there. Let's put the pedal to the floor. Let's see if we have the balls. Let's get knocked down and get back up. Let's build something. Let's get our hands dirty. Let's have a cold one. Let's talk some shit.
Couple of cartwheels, Danny.
Let's get after it. This time in the Decked Let's Get After It series, host Danny Bolton meets up with professional storm chaser Ricky Forbes to track down a giant twister in the Midwest's infamous Tornado Alley. And in the middle of it all, finds himself severely, under the weather.
Here we are, just repacking some gear, getting the truck ready. Beautiful blue skies, this is the time to do it. We're about to head into full-blown tornado country. We're in the middle of Oklahoma, going to meet up with Ricky Forbes. Maybe hail, lightning, but right now, we're on tropic time, getting our smoothies. It's the calm before the storm. In the heart of tornado country. Ricky's invited me out here to come do a little storm chasing. I'm excited to hear how he's gotten into this storm chasing, and he's one of the best. I see the stuff that he puts out, and I've done a lot of crazy things, but I think chasing tornadoes could be one of the craziest. Welcome to Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas, and of course, chasing big storms with Big Rick. Cut. Well, can't miss him. Bright orange truck. Look at tornado watch.
Mr. Hawaii.
Ricky.
Good to see you, dude.
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm ready.
My name is Ricky Forbes, and I am a professional storm chaser. I grew up in small town Saskatchewan. I've always loved the outdoors. My parents are adventurous people, and they instilled that in me, and I feel that's what made me who I am today. A storm chaser to me is anybody who's captivated by the skies. The people that are dedicating their lives year-round to chasing these storms, tracking down this incredible weather, whether it be like alien spaceship-looking clouds or lightning storms, or the wildest tornadoes on the planet. We are here getting up close and personal with these giants to document it, to share that story, to call it in, and just to experience something that is absolutely incredible. I'm just so absolutely grateful. For this trip, we're bringing out one of my favorite people, Braden, more so.
We just love weather. We just want to go experience these moments that will never ever be the same again.
I actually have my grade 3 yearbook, and it says I want to travel to Tornado Ale because I couldn't spell alley, and I wanted to be a storm chaser.
He is a good friend and chase partner, but he's also one of the best forecasters.
Look at the left-right motion, side to side there.
He's also a goofball and a ton of fun to have around.
It's helmet time!
Right, B? Woo! And everybody enjoys being around him, so for every reason, I love having Braden out with us.
You know when you hear a song that you love, or you're in that moment where you get that like enveloping chill down your spine? That's the feeling that you get when you're storm chasing. To be able to be there to experience that is just really something special.
You had to be at the right place at the right time, and there's been like so many failed attempts to make this happen, but when you do get it, it doesn't even matter if nobody else knows. It's just such a good feeling that the trial and triumphs were worth it. Here we go. The hail is starting.
Is that why you try to get in front of them? So they... Oh! My
that was sick. What? That was unreal. With storm chasing, we always talk about tornadoes first because that's what really gets people's attention. But like, I love every aspect: the lightning, the hail, the cool like cloud formations we get to see, like the sunsets. Everything about it is awesome.
It's kind of chilly out here. Well, chased that storm about an hour and a half. Saw some crazy lightning. A little bit of hail, not baseball size, but definitely got into hail. You could hear it like cracking the windshield. Thunder right now. We're just trying to remake a game plan here and just kind of head back out.
It was looking like we had potential for a tornado, but then the storm we're going after sped up and we just didn't have a chance to catch up. And that's something a lot of people don't see with storm chasing is that we'll show you all the wins on social media, but it's rare that we show you the failures and the grind. 15-hour drives back to back to back to back. You're barely sleeping, you're living out of your truck. There's some evenings that we're not ending till 2, 3 in the morning. And the next day we have to get up at 6, 7 a.m. and do it all over again. But that's my favorite part, is that hard road. It makes that moment when you do catch those epic storms all that much better. So we got some driving to do. We're gonna be traveling northwest here, and we got a cool looking storm at Childress right here. Let's move in this direction. I'm really hoping that we get to intersect it, which we should, and get set up for Armageddon tomorrow. We got this unbelievable massive shelf roping across the sky. It's like an alien spaceship about to come right over top of us. And it's moments like this in storm chasing that life melts away and you're fully here. This is why I love storm chasing.
We just got done chasing storms down here in Texas, and I flew in from Hawaii to Kansas City, and then we drove down to Texas, about a 10-hour drive, and my body just started shutting down. I think I just picked up a little bit of a cold, and I'm just gonna lay down for a little bit back here, and we got like a 4 or 5 hour drive north to go chase some storms. So gonna make that drive up there, and then I think getting in at like 3 or 4 in the morning, maybe get some sleep, and then go chase storms in Colorado. Caught on camera. Pretty beat up from last night.
How you feeling, buddy?
Right now, I feel like a 4 out of 10. Last night was a 2 out of 10. Slept like crap last night. But feel a little better today.
Casey's Pizza is known because of the Chapman, Kansas wedge tornado that happened in 2016. It was rated EF4, so a whole bunch of storm chasers ate Casey's Pizza before that happened, so we're super superstitious with this is good luck, or Subway cookies under the seat, that kind of thing. So I also got the lucky baby leg here. So some people carry a rabbit's foot, I have this baby leg to carry around.
Gives you extra powers, superhuman powers.
The best thing that could happen today is we pick the right storm, we see it twist up right above us, drop down a massive tornado right in front of us. sits in one spot, it's not going anywhere, and take it all in. The worst thing that can happen today is quite a bit darker. More than 50% of these tornadoes do hit populated areas. And in that case, we're there to help. We're trained in first aid, and we do everything we can to help out until the real help gets there. But just saying that, I'm gonna get goosebumps. I really hope that isn't the case. It's when these tornadoes affect people, it's bad. Many times people don't make it through these storms, and it can be really tough. Back in 2013, there's a few times that we just got too close, and one of them turned to be the world's largest tornado. It was over 2.6 miles wide at the base, and we were inside that tornado just under a minute, but it felt like a lifetime, and we were sure we were gonna die. It's moments like those and losing friends to storm chasing, it instills a deep respect, but also a deep fear. We're out here to get close with them, but we certainly don't want to be caught in another tornado. But it is possible to chase these storms safely, and it's working with a great team.
How you doing, man?
Dude, everyone's here.
Yeah, good to see you, Matt.
The culture and the community is one of my favorite parts of storm chasing. You show up in the middle of nowhere and you're meeting people from all over the world. Like there's France, Canada, Australia, and more that just walked out. It's pretty cool. Johnny, Utah. Hey, brother. How are you? Good to see you, brother. One of my favorite parts of storm chasing is getting to share that passion with others. When we're at a gas station stop, they want to say hi and chat about the storms that they have chased.
These are storm chasers!
Especially when the kids come up. And so I make sure to carry, stickers and t-shirts and show them the truck, show them everything that's going on. That's one of my favorite parts.
Liam wants to be a storm chaser when he grows up.
Well, thank you for letting me meet you.
Yeah, it's great to meet you, Liam.
Hope you have a great trip.
Yeah, have a good day.
Back in action, dude.
Back in action.
It got put down pretty hard because we drove all night. We didn't get to where we're staying till like 3 in the morning. I was dying in the back of the truck, but I'm feeling better. I'm hoping it was just like a 24-hour flu. It's crazy how much better you feel after you get some sleep. And I'm back, baby.
That's the edge of the 850. It's just rooting to it now.
Oh, cool.
You see, it's really taken to it now.
Sick. Oh, so it is time to go. All right, it is time to chase, dude. We are minutes away from having to race out of here. So I'm just rearranging this a little bit. So I got mixed around. And then we're gonna catch a tornado. We're rolling.
We're good?
Yeah? Let's do this.
Let's get it.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Get in the cars!
This is our hot spot. Do you see that little hook starting to happen right there? We're looking at 3-inch hail. That is wild. We're all gonna travel tight here. There's a really good chance it's about to get wild, and if it touches down, it's coming right at us, we're gonna get close, but we need to move as one unit, and if we get separated at all, it can be really dangerous. Braden? Oh, he's pulling over. Okay, cool. Let's get this. Little peek.
Oh,
Get it.
that's a tornado! Yes, dude. Oh my God.
Right at us!
Fuck, dude. Oh, wicked. You see that?
Oh, we got an epic tornado. Look at that spinning up. It's soon going to condense and be one massive wedge. And we're right in front of it. The winds are at our back, flying into the storm. But we got a good road network. That is perfect.
Woo.
Dude.
How crazy is that?
That is unreal.
I guess there's a tornado around here. Imagine that.
What do you think, Danny?
Yee! Almost lost my hat. It's pretty crazy. Oh, look at that thing. It's massive.
reason why I keep storm chasing 13 years later, over 500 tornadoes in, is that every storm is different. And I really find it to be such a spiritual feeling. When you're out there and you feel so small beside something so big that you don't fully understand, but fuck is it beautiful. That never gets old. We only get one shot at life. When I am 80 or 90 or whatever it is I make it to and I'm on my deathbed, I want to look back and be like, fuck yeah, that was a good story.
Are you kidding me? Look at that thing. It's wicked. Woo!
Fuck yeah, man. So good.
Did it. We did it, baby. We did it. We came out here to chase tornadoes, chased them. Ricky's the man. This is amazing, dude. I can't even believe how epic that was. What? Just such an adrenaline rush. So sick. Okay, we gotta go.